Friends, today we will see how to use this ultrasonic humidifier. So this humidifier comes with the USB plug, remote control and user manual. Let's see how to use it. First, remove the lid. Then, if you take a look to the base, you will see anti-skid pad and a slot to connect the charger. We used USB plug, so it's very comfortable. You can use it everywhere. Once you do that, you just put some water in the container. Also add 2 or 4 drops of essential oil. It depends on your preference. You can buy it in our shop. And put the lid back and connect the device. You can set the operation time as you wish. And you have 4 options like continuous, intermittent way. Also, the device can work in 2 hours or 4 hours. This humidifier has 7 different changing colors. You can adjust the brightness and set on the certain color. All up to you. Let's see the amount of our steam. Okay, great. Or you just take the remote control to use the humidifier. You can also turn on, turn off, then adjust brightness, color, and amount of the steam. If you have any problems, please contact our service. We will help you to solve all your problems. Thank you.